Welcome to the installation guide for the MOTOISM Aero chainguard for the Honda CB and CBR 650R. Before we begin, make sure the motorcycle is stable and on a level surface. Lay out all supplied parts and confirm your tools are ready before starting the installation. For this installation, you will need a 5.5mm wrench or socket, a 2.5, 4 and 5mm in-bus, an 8mm socket, and a crosshead screwdriver. Start by attaching the Plexiglas AeroGuard to the chain guard using the supplied hardware. Do not over-tighten. This only requires light force. Now head over to the left side of the bike and remove the original chain guard. Take out the two bolts on the side. Then move to the right side and remove the two bolts that hold the rear fender in place. Carefully lift off the original chain guard and rear mudguard as one piece. Place the assembly on a table or workbench and unscrew the two screws on the underside. You can now unclip the chain guard from the fender. Grab your new MOTOISM chain guard and place it onto the fender. Reuse the original two screws to attach the mudguard back in place. Inside the box, you will also find a plastic spacer. Snap this into the square hole before installing. Now that the chain guard and mudguard are assembled, place the whole unit back onto the bike. Make sure to position it correctly over the locating pin on the swing arm. Screw the supplied hardware into the chain guard to secure it in place. Then reuse the original hardware to screw the mudguard back on. Do a final check to confirm everything is properly secured. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your new MOTOISM Aero chain guard.